How to log in into Ali Bank online account. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel, and on today's video we will learn how we can log in into Ali Bank online account. So without any further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, you have to open up your preferred browser and in the search bar type in Ali Bank login. From your search results, head over to the first link, that is www.ali.com. That's gonna take you to the official website. Now to log in into your online account, navigate to top right, click on login button. Now login prompt will pop up in your interface. To log in, first of all, you have to enter your username that is linked with your online account. Under that, enter your correct password associated with your account. In case if you forgot your username or password, there is a link right here. Click on this link, follow the on-screen instructions, and that's going to help you recover your account. Once you're done entering your login credential, click on login button. If you have entered the correct credential, you'll be logged in into your Ali Bank online account. That's it. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful. And if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos.